Damn security screws. It's a 2-prong tip and an impact driver. It's starting to move. That outlet works, and that one doesn't. Okay, and with the standard outlet tester, this outlet shows good. This one, none of the lights are coming on, so I'm assuming it's the hot that's gone bad. Yes, I'm damaging the screw heads, but I'm sure somewhere in my kit I've got, these are probably number 6 or number 8 screws. It's turning. I may have damaged that screw boss a little bit. We still have to get the others out, but the others appear to be regular Phillips. Use a JIS driver, and that should. That works. That works. Come on. Magnetic, there we go. That'll do it. Okay, so it was this one. Oh, you're kidding me. Let's zoom in on that. The hot bus. And the neutral. It just slid out. I do not want to reuse these security screws. They're junk. But I went through my collection of spare screws and I found some adequate replacements. And the positioning is going to be important, so I need to lay them out beforehand. And then let's see if we can get this cover back on. Okay. And the screws are kind of important because they clamp the back against the bus bars to hold them in place. And these two hold the cord, so it's not ripping everything apart. Okay, powered on. No explosion. 2 lights. Two lights. I'm actually a little bit disappointed. This is supposed to be a really good brand, that this bar, the bus bars, come loose rather easily. But it's working again. Hopefully I'll get another year or so out of it before something else goes wrong. I just got to be careful with this and make sure I turn it off when I'm not actually there watching it and using it. Till next time, I'm Steve from Workbench-Z. Go have fun with your tools. Hole in it.